Walmart Family Mobile is a prepaid wireless service operated by Straight Talk Wireless, offering a straightforward cancellation process. Walmart Family Mobile is a prepaid service operated by Straight Talk Wireless. You have two primary options: porting your number to a new carrier or closing your account entirely. Canceling is possible through the Walmart Family Mobile app, website, by calling 1-888-378-0232 or visiting a Walmart store. Be prepared to verify your account ownership with information like the last four digits of your SSN or your account PIN. As of July 2025, early termination fees are eliminated for cancellations within 30 days, but a $10 porting fee applies if you transfer your number. Make sure any outstanding balances are settled before proceeding. If you want to keep your number, you'll need to port it to another carrier. This requires an active Walmart Family Mobile account without any outstanding debts. Obtain a port authorization code (PAC) from Walmart customer service. Porting is typically free domestically, although the new carrier may have their own fees. Closing your account permanently ends your service, and your number will be deleted after a 90-day retention period where calls route to voicemail. Remember, unused balances aren't typically refunded upon cancellation, though prorated refunds may apply for early terminations within the 30-day grace period. Initiating the port with the new carrier is usually the best first step before contacting Walmart to cancel.